Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix a Samsung phone that's not being detected by your PC. Let's get started. First, let's go over some basic checks to ensure everything is set up correctly. Make sure you're using a good quality USB cable. Sometimes faulty cables can cause connection issues. Try plugging your phone into a different USB port on your PC. It's possible the port you're using is not working properly. Ensure your phone is unlocked and the screen is on when you connect it to your PC. Next, let's make sure your phone is set to the correct USB mode. Connect your phone to your PC with a USB cable. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the notification settings. Look for the USB notification and tap on it. It might say charging this device via USB or something similar. Select file transfer or MTP from the list of options. If your phone still isn't being detected, you might need to update your drivers. Open your PC, open Device Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Device Manager. Look for your phone under Portable Devices. It might show up as Unknown Device or Samsung. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for updated driver software. If updating drivers didn't work, let's install the official Samsung USB drivers. Open your web browser and go to the Samsung website to download the latest USB drivers. Download the drivers and install them on your PC. After installing, restart your PC and reconnect your phone. Another method is to use Samsung Smart Switch, a tool provided by Samsung. Download and install Samsung Smart Switch from the Samsung website. Open Smart Switch and connect your phone to your PC. If none of these steps work, try connecting your phone to a different PC. This can help determine if the issue is with your phone or the original PC. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped you fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.